of our mama has a customized style with their photos engraved. Standing incredible, amazing, exquisite book, mansion, and let me find to welcome Chairman and Founder Dr. Osekwame Despai, Global President Dr. Ernest Ofori-Sapon, and all the East Legon Executive Owners Club members for making it possible to the mansion of the housewarming of Double D. And then this is the handiwork of God. It's Africa's #1, the most innovative, the most creative, the most consistent, the most incredible, amazing, hardworking social media entrepreneur. His name is Zion Felix. Mr. Felix Atumako is in the building. Welcome to the mansion. Welcome to the crib. Welcome to the amazing, outstanding, you can call it an incredible bespoke house designed, created by Double D, Jinyami, and wonderful member of the East Legon Executive Fitness Club. There's a beautiful story behind this house, and today Dr. Osekwame Despai, Dr. Ernest Ofori-Sapon, and I see Mr. Martin Brome, Lexington, Ghana. I also see Mr. Amofa of Kingdom Group of Companies, and all the wonderful great people here. Yes, Coach Abu, I see you. Nasser, I see you. Thank you so much for making it possible to the housewarming. There's a beautiful story behind this house, and it will amaze you. The incredible contribution of the incredible support. Ladies and gentlemen, there you go. See that? I see some players in the building. Junior. Ura Derek Danso Efriye, the CEO of Dancer Free Company Limited. Pacho Montie the Yepa Central for Sadia Mokotra, no much on the Mama Sombra, Madaruma. The CEO of Dancer Free Company Limited. Among the manufacturers of Ghana registry plate. A car plate. Car plate, you know, a boy car when you know. So maybe person who a Ura Derek Danso a free the Juma wire, the Numa Bako, and a vehicle registration plate. A bobo Ghana for in a car hono. Ghana for Okabia plate in a bono. Openia, oye, and Ura Derek Danso a free company needing and a Dancer Free Company Limited. Afenso Osanso a international real estate developer. So what do we need a Tema Comti 1 O call a habo. Baby, a banks in Nina wono, buildings in Ibi, a number of buildings. In fact, factory no our Tema and the factory Kesiawa, or manufacture all this registration plate. Who are a Ghana baby, Obeko DVLA, who call license, Oka, na Yadiama. So, just to mention a few, these are some of the businesses that, Echebia ebeto safre no na wamaye akwabasronko na yentie the story behind adefefa yehu enumere paucho say eduade yeshe won nsem a obetumi abon nsem a na yemfa ma na kwaba padaroba dede double D ansia Ago. Amen.
The kind Mede Nasia Kesema Uchedia Pong. On a war Sony assassin. No me am what day and no me in the media. I say, dear Bahay. Na the first of you know, Miniama mobile in a Masama Dajie. I come over you, Papa Bio, Nama Jai, Abijamino, with the Mungina so as some for in a Medamungina. Na Madame, it was a pa, but my friend, no, I'm less Simono Manaba. Na say, yeah, Minya, and unconditionally, much being in a bit in Police beside the Cotina cantonments. And Minia or Sepa, because I was there. No one of them are one of a cantonments there. Digna yet area. And if you one of first several office to be called of chefs as we have at Mede, and it's for special eyes, a Bocasa. And a cocaine. And someone who are the first CSA, the Obuame, when it's been as you and a doctor, despite a triple D, as they say, so be a double D, and the triple D also a double D. And as a foreign, so to be honest with you, why, yeah, dear Papa. I done a plan draw, I done subdivision, I done a big beer, there was a time. My friend would tell about now, maybe I say no. When I know, say, hey, you said, why a side boy? Now, what dress here all quite juma? I got a show. I only say, I take some now on Nancy. The promise of police, oh, on Jay Moma, on Nancy or got the shoes in on one say. Oh, where no edge there, and the other one, Menyani, a dozen qua, or Monya dear mammy. Moya a say, Megana is fair ya. I remember when the moon moved to Yadina, Doctor, and this police free of charge.
Global president.
Yeah, need a ceremony and I'm for the Calabash. The staircase and now what we are saying, a slope, no, yet. As I walk out, cry a big sheep. I listen up a Nujina. When it said, drew up a boom. Make a testament to ground, Derby, make a time, Derby, make a Tobia, Derby, one a baby in. In fact, the man was saying, but then to be a Mecca. Since I was surprising me. My yard, dear Papa. Says Uya. And he made it now second say a map on us. Now, my person will be fret me, mammy.
Will be fraud on my
if you say, me not know, me not know what you jam, yeah. Okay, never want to know, next say, adding, and the short to know. Upon it, if you have
boy and some fama Mrs. a free that's where for your boy and some famano.
Also, I Madame Jucrano, no, sorry, Bompay. They were the son of the Cose, who crowd this woman. Madame, you know, who know almost 30 years. Who one day cried and said, Madame, dear Chabako Bompay. And so, also, why be a man? And she did not second say the more. Why you mean? Joe, who was a young man, say. Now, me, I'm a hey, but maybe one day I may need a good platform to tell people. Personally, I don't believe in anything like Sakawa or court and all those things. I believe in hard work. I believe in God's favor and the mercy of God. This is what I believe. Me papa, or a yadi, me ma me top body ojo. And to me, say me bomiti committee konkwa. Who say me deserve to be where I am. I only see it as the favor of God, the grace of God. Because a woman from 5 man to us. So if you have a free muswa, if you have a free and you cry and I make no. My mother told body ojo. Papa yadi. So what shows I can be who I am? Never. Until the asida kesiye mo twedi ampon yankopon ana homo bro ene ne dole na dom adoso ama me kodo da so fiye na ko bia nyi da say ohia ni ba betuma be ye obrempon nti na se ka se ma nyame nti be sembo ka se pa ne say gi nyame nyame na oka me ho ne free boase e de be wi ha am say ono so odima chicha bia nti am say manuasi nti me do bias mam be ja me nya do bias